Huawei's smartphone business has been steadily gaining momentum, particularly in the dynamic and highly competitive Chinese market. Amidst this growth, other smartphone giants, notably Apple, have faced challenges in maintaining their foothold to meet Huawei's persistent popularity. Despite Apple's recent efforts, such as offering discounts on iPhones for the first time in the history of the Chinese market, Huawei's allure remains strong, resulting in a decline in iPhone sales across China. In recent developments, Huawei's flagship Mate 60 series and Mate X5 models have achieved a remarkable milestone by surpassing 10 million units in sales. This accomplishment is a testament to Huawei's innovative approach, incorporating cutting-edge technologies like 5G chips and self-developed processors, which have resonated well with consumers and propelled Huawei to the top positions in the smartphone market. Analysts and industry experts have noted a significant uptick in Huawei's smartphone sales since the fourth quarter of 2023. During this period, Huawei accounted for nearly half, 47% of the shipments of new flagships and secured a place among the top 5 vendors in the market. Furthermore, Huawei's swift ascent to the number 1 position in the Chinese smartphone market within the first 2 weeks of 2024 underscores its dominance and market appeal. Looking ahead, all eyes are on the upcoming Huawei P70 series, which is anticipated to further boost shipment values by an impressive 150% year-over-year. With promises of powerful camera features and enhanced capabilities, the P70 series aims to surpass the success of its predecessors and set new benchmarks in the industry. Beyond the numbers, Huawei's success story reflects its unwavering commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. By focusing on delivering cutting-edge technology and captivating user experiences, Huawei continues to redefine the landscape of mobile technology and shape the future of the smartphone industry. As we continue to track Huawei's journey and its impact on the global smartphone market, we invite you to stay informed and engaged with our channel. Be sure to subscribe for the latest updates, insights, and analyses on Huawei's latest developments, including an upcoming video on Huawei Harmony OS. In conclusion, Huawei's remarkable achievements underscore its resilience, adaptability, and ability to thrive in a competitive market environment. As the story unfolds, we remain committed to bringing you comprehensive coverage and in-depth analysis of Huawei's endeavors and their implications for the broader technology landscape. Until next time, stay connected, stay informed, and join us on this exciting journey of innovation and progress. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.